Hi guys, let's make super soft eggless pancakes. In a bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of caster sugar. However, you can use normal sugar. I'm going to whisk all that together until it is well combined. I will then add 1 1/4 cup of milk, two tablespoons of oil, and then I will mix everything together until it is well incorporated. I will then pour the batter in a hot pan that I've already oiled. I will let that cook until bubbles form. I then drizzle some oil and flip my pancake to cook on the other side. I repeat that process with the rest of the batter. Once they are ready, you can top them up with the topping of your choice. I chose to use salted caramel. I hope you'll give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.